Hey guys, it's me again. Today what I have for your viewing pleasure is this antique GE table fan. This is a Christmas gift, one of two Christmas gifts that I got. Pretty awesome fan if you ask me. It doesn't have a switch, but yeah, like I said, pretty awesome fan. And some of the present wrappings, but nice stand that it has. It looks like you used to have a switch at some point, but that got taken out. Because I think this was given a new plug, because that's the original stuff it looks like. I do believe this is a GE. It doesn't say anywhere on it that it actually is, but it looks like a GE. Not sure what type of GE, but it's definitely an antique. Pardon me. Very nice blade design. I have it plugged in, but this is one of those things that it's a GFCI, so go ahead and start it up. This thing sounds pretty awesome. Here we go. Oscillates, as you can see. It's very, very quiet. It does vibrate the table a lot. It was a very, very good arrow. I'm going to stop this one right over. So you can hear not much rattle. Whoops! Technical difficulties here. Oh, come on. Okay. There it is. Stable. Very quiet, as you can tell. Aside from that small rattle. It's super quiet. There's a screw stuck in there. So, I'll have to find out how to get that off, but shoot it off now. Very awesome fan. Spin down time is phenomenal on this thing. And there it is. So, there you guys go. Thanks for watching this antique GE fan that I got for Christmas. As always, like, comment, and subscribe.